NUVO delivers value for money and value for the environment. Our instruments are designed to last for generations. They are easy to clean, easy to repair, and we encourage students to pass their instruments to younger siblings and friends. NUVO instruments can be cleaned frequently in hot, soapy water, keeping them hygienic and encouraging sharing, especially if being used in the classroom. There is a common misunderstanding that plastic instruments cannot be repaired. NUVO instruments can be repaired without the need of years of technical know-how. NUVO will even provide spare parts as requested. NUVO instruments are designed to be used intensively and to last for generations. We encourage students to pass their NUVO instrument on when they graduate to full-sized band instruments. Or maybe you want to share your instrument with someone in your family and pass on the love of making music.